ครับ4,000
ทำเลยเอาปะ
ครับ
You can analyze the footage, read the letters, watch my face. You can interview the witnesses and try to find my trails.
ถ่ายว่าถ่าย
You
เก่า
can try to map the reasons, the logic and the form, but you'll never touch the currents running underneath the storm. You see the consequence, the shadow of the
ร้อน
final
มาก
cost. But the inner calculation is forever getting lost. This piece of the equation is sacred and concealed. A wound that no one else can touch, a truth that's unrevealed. It's the anchor that I needed when the world began to spin. The precious, fragile territory where no one can step in. This deep conviction, this silent fear's desire, this burning core emotion that sets my soul on fire. It's only mine, a language I alone can speak. The silent promise that the strongest are not always the weak. It's only mine, the clarity that no one else can see. The beautiful, complex, difficult reality of me. You try to label all my feelings, box them up and tie a bow to make them simple, predictable, a comfortable, slow flow. But the river that runs through me is wider than your view. It has its hidden tributaries, its secrets deep and true. I let you think you know me, I let you think you read the signs, but the map to my resistance is drawn with my own lines. This piece of the equation is sacred and concealed, a wound that no one else can touch, a truth that's unrevealed. It's the anchor that I needed when the world began to spin. The precious, fragile territory where no one can step in. This deep conviction, this silent fierce desire, this burning core emotion that sets my soul on fire. It's only mine, a language I alone can speak. The silent promise that the strongest are not always the weak. It's only mine, the clarity that no one else can see. The beautiful, complex, difficult reality of me. Don't mistake the distance for pushing you away. It's just a necessary boundary. You can analyze the footage, read the letters, watch my face. You can interview the witnesses and try to find my trails. You can try to map the reasons, the logic and the form, but you'll never touch the currents running underneath the storm. You see the consequence, the shadow of the final cost, but the inner calculation is forever getting lost. This piece of the equation is sacred and concealed, a wound that no one else can touch, a truth that's unrevealed. It's the anchor that I needed when the world began to spin. The precious, fragile territory where no one can step in. This deep conviction, this silent fierce desire, this burning core emotion that sets my soul on
นี่ใส่ชุด
fire.
นี้แหละ
It's only mine, a language I alone can speak. The silent promise that the strongest are not always the weak. It's only mine, the clarity that no one else box them up and tie about to make them simple, predictable, comfortable, slow flow. Like the river that runs through me is wider than your view. It has its hidden tributaries, its secrets deep and true. I let you think you know me, I let you think you read the signs, but the map to my resistance is drawn with my lines. This piece of the equation is sacred, concealed. A world that no one else can touch, a truth that's unrevealed. It's the anchor that I needed when the world began to spin. That precious, fragile territory where no one can step in. This deep conviction, this silent fierce desire, this burning core emotion that sets my soul on fire. It's only mine, it's only mine. A language I alone can speak. The silent promise that the strongest are not always the weak. It's only mine. The clarity that no one else can see. The beautiful complex reality. Don't mistake the distance for pushing you away. It's just a necessary boundary. 'Cause you witnesses and try to find my truth. You can try to love the reasons, the logic and the form, but you'll never touch the currents running underneath the storm. You see the consequence, the shadow of the final cost, but the